In this Instagram video tutorial today I will show you how to view insights on Instagram. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app that you have installed. So if you want to see insight on Instagram, so you must have a creator or business Instagram account, then you will be enabled to see the insights on Instagram. So anyway guys, I have my creator Instagram account. As you see guys, when I tap on the three lines, so I can easily see the insight feature. So when I tap on this one, so I can easily view my insights on Instagram. So you can see there is a contact tab and activity and audience. So on a content, you can see how many people reach your Instagram posts. So you can see I have uploaded a lot of Instagram posts, and as you see guys, the posts that I have recently uploaded, which one display on the top of the feed post. So you can see the audience views as well as the recently stories that I have published. So you can see here. So when you tap on your activity, so you can see how many people visit your Instagram profile here. So you can also check out the discovery account. So each and everything listed in activity tab. So when I tap on the audience, so you can see the graph of your audience. So you can see where the people following you. So right now I have the huge traffic from Jeddah, Riyadh and Lahore, Karachi and Istanbul. So you can see there are a lot of charts and bar graphs which shows you your Instagram activities and audience reductions. So this is just like an analytics which allows you to monitor your Instagram business activities and your Instagram following activities. So this is pretty cool feature which allows you to monitor your activities and your audience reduction on Instagram. So in this video I have shown you how to view insights on Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you get more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.